Have you ever felt overwhelmed when learning to code? Well, you're not alone. In this video, I am going to uncover a common mistake that many beginners make that can hinder their progress. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Code with GD. I am Gourav and I have spent the last 9 years creating softwares, both as a student and as an engineer. I have seen the same mistakes hold even the smartest folks back. In this video, I am taking that experience and giving you the shortcut, the 5 critical mistakes to avoid so you can land that coding job fast. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone who is considering a career switch, this video will reveal the realities of coding that you won't find in any promotional ads or flashy websites. So, are you ready for a real roadmap to a high paying tech job? Let's cut to the chase and fix the mistakes that are obstacles to your progress. Mistake number 1. Learning too many things at once. You hear JavaScript is essential for web development, but then someone says, hey, Python is the easiest and useful in data science. Then someone else says, Golang is the upcoming language. And then you see job openings asking for C++ or Java. Before you know it, you are down the rabbit hole of languages and feeling totally overwhelmed. Here's the thing. If you are trying to master everything at once, you are all set for a big burnout. What you should do is simplify it. Focus on mastering the basics first. Take one language, learn the fundamentals of that one language. You can learn OOPS, code for arrays, strings, sorting and search algorithms, linked lists, trees, graphs, all of this in that one language. After learning, start to build projects with it. This practical experience of one programming language is far more valuable than knowing little about a lot of different things. Mistake number 2 is I see a lot of people and they try to remember everything. The truth is, even the best programmers only remember about 30% of what they learn. Learning is not about memorization. It's about understanding the concepts, the fundamentals, and knowing how things work. You should know where to find the things when you need it and how to apply those things. Trust me, Google is your best friend when it comes to searching for things or syntax. Stack Overflow is your best friend when it comes to solving errors. And the LLMs like ChatGPT, they are the upcoming future for assisting you in coding. Mistake number 3 is what we call the tutorial hell. Watching hours of tutorials without applying what you learn is like trying to get fit by watching workout videos. You need to practice coding. Start building your own projects, no matter how small. Apply what you learn immediately and don't just passively watch and think, oh, the topic is covered. Execution is as important, or in fact even more important, than reading or watching videos. Mistake, or as I like to phrase it, opportunity number 4 is collaboration over competition. Coding is not a solitary activity. Engage in pair programming, join coding communities, and learn from others. Set up design sessions or problem solving sessions with your friends or colleagues. You would be surprised by how much you can learn by working together and sharing knowledge. Finally, don't be afraid to fail. Every mistake is a learning opportunity. The tech world is constantly evolving, and part of being a successful coder is adapting, updating, and learning from your errors and failures. Ask anyone, and they will tell you they had more rejections than acceptances in their coding interviews. Keep pushing forward and don't let setbacks discourage you. So, there you have it, the truth about learning to code. It's a journey filled with challenges but also immense rewards. Stay curious, stay persistent, and most importantly, keep coding. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more coding tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Till then, happy coding. Bye bye.